I usually make drawers the traditional way with half-blind dovetails and a groove that goes around 3 sides that I slide the bottom into. But every time I make a drawer, I have to set up my combination planes to make that groove, and it gets to be kind of a hassle. So I decided to make a dedicated drawer groove plane. Now, I'm not a very good metal worker, and I've never made a plane iron, so I decided to look through my box of combination plane blades to see if I had a double of something, and it turns out that I did. The iron that I had was actually the exact width that I use to make my grooves in my drawers, so it was perfect. The build itself is not that difficult, so in a second I'll stop narrating and just let you watch. But before I go, I want to tell you one thing about the key that's used to hold the iron in place. This key I made when I was building a prototype of this plane, so there's no footage of it, and I used a bandsaw to cut it out, so you have to excuse that. But if you look at the end of the key, you'll see that it is cut at a very acute angle. And I did the same thing on the mouth of the plane, and this is to allow the shavings to be pushed out the side instead of clogging up the irons, because I found when I made my prototype that I was just clogging up the plane with every stroke. So I had to rectify that, and I found a pretty good solution. For those of you that don't know how to make traditional drawers and have no idea what I'm talking about when I mention the groove for the bottom of the drawer, I will put a link up here in the corner to one of my videos that shows how I do it, so you can watch that. Everything else is self-explanatory, and I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button, and if you could hit the like button as well, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.